Hello everyone, we're gonna get coffee. Here we have a pavoni espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was leaking under the tray and around the heating element, so we're now replacing the heating element gasket as well as pretty much all the gaskets that you see here, giving the machine a tune-up and pretty much using the side glass case, the side glass itself, the gaskets from the piston and the gaskets from the steamer one. And we also noticed when we finished with the tune-up that the power switch LED was not working correctly, so we ended up replacing the power switch as well. And let's test it out. Hopefully I got the grind setting correctly, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or just coffee barely dripping. And unfortunately it was a little bit too coarse, it needed to be more finer in order to get more crema. But as you can see, no leaks. I'm working fine. Now for the steamer. Working perfectly fine. Thank you for your premium can of coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.